Hello friends, I am Avilas Naik from India. I will be talking about the assignment for week 4 under Moodle for Teachers. The assignment for this week is addition of blocks and SC activities under CPA, that is Common Practice Area. In order to add blocks to the course Moodle for Managers, first of all we have to turn the editing on. Only after we turn the editing on, we are able to add blocks to the course. So there are some blocks which are available to be added to the course. They are like blog menu, blog tags, community finder, course site summary, courses, feedback, HTML, logged in user, mentees, messages, my private files, people, quiz results, random glossary entry, recent activity, remote RSS feeds, search forums, tags, upcoming events. So first of all, in order to add a block, we will be adding the blog menu. As we can see here on the left side, we have a column there, add a block, and when we say add blog menu, then we have blog menu that we can see. It comes above the place where add a block is there. Then after we can move the blog menu to the place of our choice. We can put it below, we can put it at the top of the page, we can put it on the right also, as per our choice. And in that blog menu, we can also create a personal blog. We can write our blogs, personal responses to the course. In this one, I have put my title of the blog is like this: the gateway to become managers of online learning. So after I save this blog, it is displayed on a page, that is the blog page. We can see it here, the blog entries about Moodle for Managers. So since my blog entry has been displayed here, so my name is also displayed there. But if we go for all the entries, we can see the entries page wise, one after another. It is about Moodle for Managers. We can go change the pages and see the blog entries by the other people. Now the second thing, the second block that I have added to the course, it is the course completion status. This will help us, this will help the learners to know to what extent they have been able to complete the course. So after we add the block, then we can configure the course completion status. When we say configure the course completion status, we mean that it can be put at a place convenient to us, and it can also contain the contents that we desire. Then the third one that we have added as a block, that is the HTML block. As you can see here, under add a block we have HTML, and here we have configuring a HTML block. We have written it here. So managers of online learning, that's what the title that I have given to my block for HTML link. Then I have added the block that is people. You can see it here. Under add a block, we can see people here, and on the top of it, above this, we can see managers of Moodle. That is the HTML block that I have created. So when I see this, we can see both of them. The course completion status is also there, and under people, we can see it here in red that we have participants. So all the participants, when we go to all the participants, we will be able to know all the participants who have been enrolled for that particular course. In this page, we can see the name of Alexandra at the top, and my name comes second to that. It comes in the order of alphabets. Then we have another very important block that is the feedback. As we can see here, the feedback block, it can be used to get feedback about the course from the learners and the other users. And here also we can configure the feedback block, and we can also put it at a place of our convenience. We can put it at the bottom, we can put it in the middle, we can put it at the top, either on the right or on the left. As we can see here, I have put 0 for default weight. So what will happen? We will see that it will come on the right side because I have put right there, and it has come in the middle because 0, there is 1 to 10 below 0 and 1 to 10 above 0. If we put -10, it will come at the top, and if we put 10, then it will come at the bottom. It's like that. So then I have added the upcoming events. Upcoming events, they also constitute one of the very important blocks because they let the learners know about what is coming up. As we can see here, it is for MM3, using Moodle activities to align learning goals with assignments. That is an upcoming event that is on 13th February. So the learners are able to know which events are coming up. On the left side, we can see under add a block, I have put upcoming events, and on the right side, the upcoming events, it has already come above add a block. Then we have the sample of the upcoming events. It is there, whatever we saw there on the left side, it is also there. You can see it here, MM3, using Moodle activities to align learning with assignments. It is there. Even the calendar is there here on the right side. So we can also configure the upcoming events, what kind of events we require, whether we require all events to be shown, or whether we require to show the events which are going to happen this week, this month. So it all depends how we control this block. As you can see here, we have put all events here, and we have put this week. So the event which is there for this week, it will be shown there. And we have been also instructed to add activities under CPA. With the turn editing on button, we will be able to continue with these activities. They are different from the activities that we did under TPA. It is CPA, that is common practice area. The activities are the same, but the place where we are required to put the activities, they are different. So under CPA, I have added some activities as we have been advised by our mentors and Dr. Nelly. We will be talking about activities A to C, that means assignments, then we have choice, then we have certificate, then we have chart, then checklist. So these are some of the activities that we have activated, we have added under the CPA. So we can see that the first of all we have put assignments here where the managers will be required to give a feedback about their role as managers, and they will be writing about that assignment within a week. Next we have the certificate. The certificate will be provided to all those people, all those managers and teachers who have editing rights, and they will be given to those people who successfully complete this course. Then we have the chat. The chat is a kind of forum which we have created here. All these people, all the managers, they will be providing their inputs about their experience as managers, as teachers and administrators with editing rights, how they have been successful and what problems they have faced while acting as managers. Then we have the checklist. This checklist will help the managers whether they have been able to check whether they have been able to add all the blocks systematically, whether they have been able to understand how the blocks work and how the activities they are related to this course. And this choice will give a feedback about the course, and this will provide a feedback by the learners, by the users, here the managers, and this will help the course designers to improve the course. And as we can see here, under the SC activities added under CPA, I have added assignments, I have added certificate of course completion, I have added a chart room, that is my experience as a manager, that means experience as managers, then checklist for adding blocks to the course, and finally under choice I have added survey on the features of Moodle. This last one, survey on the features of the Moodle, it will help the course designers to get a feedback on the course whether all the features which have been embedded with Moodle for managers are justified or some of them need to be modified. That will be decided on the basis of the feedback given by the users. And finally, we should not forget, all of us, that we should delete all the additions that we have made, delete the blocks that we have added, and also the activities that we have added to the course, because otherwise that will crowd the area on the course page. That means the Moodle for managers and other people will have difficulty in working with the blocks or with the activities. So it is always wise to delete those additions made by us before we sign off, that is before we turn the editing off. Thank you and over.